Hello, Rosa's Holiday Your Way enthusiasts. Here we are again with another unboxing of an incredible item from our Notions and Gifts box, the countdown this year for 2025. This is your last warning. If you do not want to see what's in the box, please, please, please close this video, shut down, go someplace else, and come back when you would like to see what we have in store for you. As we do each day, we're going to go through each item. I'm going to shake it like a kid in a candy store. We're going to bend it, twist it, and see if we can guess what's inside. And then I will tell you why it was selected for this specific item and for this specific box. All right, this is your final warning. Go ahead and close those windows now if you don't want to be surprised. Otherwise, hang with me for a few more seconds. All right, enthusiasts. Okay, so let's take a look at today's package. So today is the lovely yellow polka dots, and the quote on it is "too hot to handle." I'm gonna guess this might have something to do with ironing. It's got a little bit of rigidity to it. It kind of makes a clicking sound when we shake it. You know, I'm gonna open this up and see, but I feel like this is something we're gonna use when we iron. All right, so let's just tear it open with reckless abandon. And we open it up, and the first thing I see, so this is a Gypsy Quilter. So we love Gypsy Quilter. This is, you know, I remember way back when Gypsy Quilter first started, it was all the pop-up bin, and now there's a whole line of accessories. And so these guys, we've seen these demoed before, which is part of the reason why they ended up in the box. But these are tools that you can use when you're ironing to get really close to your fabric, to make sure you get those sharp edges, make sure you get those sharp points. They're like mini spatulas, but they come in different sizes. So that way you're not, you know, putting that fingernail up real close, or you're trying to put the stiletto up real close, or grabbing whatever is close to your ironing board. These little tools help you get real close to your hot irons, so that way you can poke out the corners that you need to poke out, so that way you can make the corners crisp, so that way you can make it as perfect as possible with these handy dandy little tools. And the reason why I like this is, like, before we saw this demoed, I didn't even know this was a thing. I was doing everything I just described. I was grabbing a widget by my machine. I was grabbing, you know, my fingernail and burning it, and figured I'd be fine in 3 days. But this tool, once we saw this is the game changer for us. So that is today's item, you guys. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you unwrap that with reckless abandon and you put it to good use today in your quilt room. That is what we're going for here, and we love it so much. All right, enthusiasts, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. Join us again tomorrow when we will have another fantastic gift. We're going to open it, we'll take a look at it, and we'll learn all about it tomorrow in our next video. That is all for us. Happy sewing, and we will see you soon.